Welcome to today's video, guys. I'm Maryam, and today I want to chat about why positive affirmations don't work until the subconscious mind feels safe. See, guys, you may say all these right words. I'm loved. I am good enough. I am enough, right? You may repeat them 100 times a day or 1,000 times a day. But nothing is going to change until the subconscious mind feels safe. So instead of bombarding yourself with all these positive affirmations, you want to pause. You want to teach the subconscious mind how to feel safe. You see, the subconscious mind is not logical, it is emotional. It remembers how you felt back in time. For example, when you were frightened in that childhood, or when they abused you back in childhood. So you really want to take into account that, yes, positive affirmations can work, but you must introduce emotional safety, nervous system safety to the subconscious mind before you can get results. So there is no point affirming I am loved as long as the subconscious mind associates love with pain. And that's the healing work. You really need to undo those patterns before positive affirmations can kick in. You're going to look at the internal map before you can introduce these affirmations into your ritual, into your everyday practice. So the healing work is to create safety on a subconscious level before introducing all these positive affirmations. So hopefully you guys find this video helpful. Take a moment to honor yourself, to honor your journey, to honor who you are. Keep shining your light. Look after your precious soul. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.